Yeah. Yeah, good morning, everyone. Uh, Yesterday, again, some concerns about Israel and Iran continued, wherein Israel continued its attack on Lebanon, where the retaliation from Iran was not directly countered by Israel up till now, but they are continuing their process of attacking Lebanon. And that is creating some concerns that there could be some oppositions from the other Middle East countries for Israel. We had seen that US market again uh, softened yesterday, but today morning features are a bit positive, and also the Asian markets are indicating a positive trend. We had seen a substantial decline in our market also yesterday, with the major sale from the FI. But we see that the excess is getting created on the sell side as well. So quite possible that we may see some recovery happening in today's trade. Commodities has also seen some movements, specifically oil, which has moved by almost around $3 from same time yesterday. On the comment from Biden, which had who had said that they are communicating with Israel on attack of oil resources of Iran. So that has taken the oil up by almost around $3. But other commodities on the base metal side had seen some corrections, specifically aluminum and copper, uh, by around one and a half to 1%. Today, the unemployment data in the US will be watched carefully, wherein some hint can come for rate cut, which may be coming in the next quarter, in this month. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Today, the market is likely to open little bit of gap down opening, and we're likely to witness some more volatile trading session during our day. Yesterday, we have seen almost cut off more than 2% on the closing basis, which gives some sort of a cautious sign. Nifty has broke down all the important support levels, which was placed at around 20 DMA. And after that level, we believe that the selling pressure is likely to be continued up to towards 25,000 psychological marks, a support provided by its 50 DMA. Now, looking towards the technical setups for the today intraday purpose, first support lies at 25,170. If Nifty closed below that level, then 25,100 and 25,000 levels can be seen. Whereas on high side, as of now, the resistance is placed at around 25,330. Any move above that level will witness some sort of a positive momentum, which might take a Nifty towards 25,400 to 500 levels on the higher sides. So the overall view is little bit cautious, even though we have a today weekend as such, don't carry major long positions in the markets. Try to book the profits on every rise as such, and fresh longs can be initiated only if Nifty manages to take a support of 25,000 psychological levels or not. Coming towards the bank nifty, 52,000 will act as a crucial support levels. Any move about any fall below that level will see the extension of this selling pressure towards 51,740 to 51,470 levels. Whereas the resistance is placed at around 52,640, 52,800 levels. Coming towards the Fin Nifty, 24,240, 24,370 are the resistance level we need to keep eye on it, whereas the support is placed at around 24,040 and 23,940. That's it from my end. I request Amit to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we have seen that in yesterday's session, heavy selling has been witnessed all over wide from the market front, as we are seeing that from the OI positions, the monthly position of 26,000 striker got shifted on the downside towards the 25,300 level, while call writer positions are holding strongly at 26,000 and 25,300 striker. So once if in today's day of trading session, if Nifty spot goes about 25,300 level, then only we liquidity or else again selling will be witnessed in today's day of trading session. Almost we are seeing at 60-70 points and Nifty is likely to open on a gap down note. On the the put order positions are now getting shifted towards the 26,000, 25,000 to 25,200 base. In yesterday's session, a major liquidation of the put order took place from 25,500 to 26,000 mark. In these five strikes, we are seeing that the positions are completely got liquidated and more selling can be witnessed in coming day of trading session. Now, in coming day of trading session for the next week, the major support for the Nifty lies at 25,000 mark. If 25,000 mark Nifty fails to hold that support, then second leg of selling will be witnessed in coming day of trading session. So 25,000 will act as an important support base for the Nifty. It will be a long-term supportive base for the Nifty below that level. Almost 500 to 800 point more selling will be witnessed if 25,000 is not taken as a supportive base. So for the today's day of trading session, if 25,300 gets broken out and gets stable above that level, then only new long position need to be created, or else a new short can be again created towards the 25,000 mark. PCRY yesterday closed at 0.88 level on the downside. PCRY is still having the range on the downside towards 0.72 to 0.68 level. So more space is visible from the PCRY front also, and as per the range from the OI front also. So we expect more selling can be witnessed in today's first half of trading session. From the FI front, we have seen that the 15,000 crore selling has been witnessed on the FI front, and 10,000 crore selling has been witnessed on the index future front. So both from this front, we are seeing that the selling has been continuously being witnessed from last 4 to 5 days of trading session, and from last 4 day of trading session, we have seen from the FI front almost around 35,000 crore selling has been seen, and we expect in today's day of trading session also selling can be maintained for the first half of trading session. From the stock specific and sector specific front, we expect the counter that looks positive in today's day of trading session will be Granules, Tata Chem and Jindal still looks positive, while from the negative front is Zydus Life, Dalmia Bharat, Mannapuram and Bata India seems to be on the negative side. So that's it from the negative front. Thank you.
Good morning. Uh, VIP Industries has partnered with Unicommerce eSolutions to streamline its post-purchase e-commerce operations. Unicommerce eSolutions is a recently listed company wherein it provides IT solutions to the logistic industries. So this collaboration will enable VIB Industries to process orders faster across various online channels using a single integrated dashboard of Unicommerce eSolutions. That's positive for both of them. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. So today, one IPO will be getting listed. The name of the company is Diffusion Engineers Limited. The market cap post ratio is around 629 crores. We had given a neutral rating to the IPO. The IPO was entirely a fresh issue. As far as the background of the company is concerned, the company is engaged in the business of manufacturing of welding consumables, wear plates, wear parts, and heavy engineering machinery for core industries. And as far as the strengths of the business are concerned, it has synergistic business models focused on forward integration. It is serving industry major players directly as well as through OEMs, and it has a long-standing relationship with customers across various industries, as well as the industry is growing at a CAGR of around 8 to 9%. As far as the valuation is concerned, the company is valued at around 20.5 times trailing 12 months PE versus an industry average of 32.6 times. And on an EV to EBITDA basis, it is valued at 16.9 versus industry average of 25.6. But the company's financials were, as compared to industry, a little weaker. So company's EBITDA margins are weak at 14% as compared to industry average of 19%. The company's return ratios, company's ROCE is 18.1% versus industry average of 23.5%. Company's ROE is at 16.1% versus industry average of 18.3%. So we had given a neutral rating considering the weaker financial fundamentals. As far as the outlook, further outlook is concerned, we expect around 30 to 40% kind of listing gains, and we are still neutral on this stock from a medium term perspective. Thank you.
Yeah, few more update announced yesterday. Bajaj Finance came up with their quarterly numbers, wherein the AUM grew by 29%. If you see their last 5 quarter average is at somewhere at around 32-33%. So comparatively lower than the uh, overall growth which we had witnessed. And also customer franchisee increased by around 20%. So more of a neutral set of number from Bajaj Finance. M&M Finance has also reported the quarterly update wherein AUM grew by 20.1% and on year-on-year basis and quarter-on-quarter around 5.9% to 1,12,000. Disbursement came in at 13,160 crores, grew by negative 1% year-on-year and positive 5.5% quarter-on-quarter. Collection efficiency remains stable at 96% year-on-year and marginally improved quarter-on-quarter. Stage 2 and Stage 3 NPA came in at 10.2% versus quarter-on-quarter 9.7% and year-on-year 10%. So again here the numbers looks more of a stable set of number and outlook is and at such neutral impact on the share price performance. Then Ola Electric came up with discount sales in the season, wherein the Ola was losing its market share in the to Bajaj and TVS, and to counter that, they had announced a large discount sales, wherein they will be selling few of their S1 scooters at 49,999, and also they had come up with quite a few other attractive models. This is all to address their loss of market shares, so which was coming down since last few months. So now the things is whether how much they are able to hold on to their catch up or improve their market share as against TVS and Bajaj. That need to be seen. The biggest thing which as of now company is losing on the service centers, wherein they got very limited service centers as against the incumbent. As such, that lacuna continue. As such, we have a neutral view with this announcement. Also, Reliance Power has announced that they will be raising around 4,200 crores of FCCB. Yesterday, we had seen that Reliance Infra raised that much money, and now Reliance Power is also raising similar money. So that will act as positive for Reliance Power. So that's all from us, and I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So, in today's session, we are expecting the momentum to continue in a positive territory. Gold, one can initiate a buy around 76,300 and maintain a stop loss of 76,000. On upside, we are eyeing for 76,800 to 77,000. Whereas silver, we are expecting prices to test around 93,800 to 94,000 on the upside. So buying on dip around 90 to 800, 93,000 is recommended. And crude oil also, we are expecting prices to test 60 250, 6,300 on the upside. So buying on dip around 6150 is recommended with a stop loss of 6070. And in natural gas also one can initiate a buy around 247 with a stop loss of 240. On upside we are eyeing for 255 to 60 levels. Whereas copper had witnessed a correction from the higher end. The profit taking was expected, and for the day, one can initiate by around 851 for a pullback. Again, 856, 858, one can book profits, and from there again, selling pressure could be witnessed. So one can sell around 858 with a strict stop loss of 863. And in zinc also, we are expecting 287, 288 to act as a resistance area. So one can initiate a sell around these levels. And on downside again, 284 is the area where one can buy for a pullback with a stop loss of 282. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.